As well as the ability to play media via Bluetooth and USB, the car also comes with a traditional radio, as one would expect. You have a choice of FM, AM and DAB or digital radio. The latter will offer the best quality audio. Simply press the radio menu and then the source button. You will then be presented with the band options. To select a station, you can either press one of these buttons for an automatic search, or press this button, which will display the list of stations received and available on the waveband. To preset a station, select a radio station or frequency and press the preset button. Make a long press on an empty line, like so, and an audible signal will confirm the presetting of the station. Up to 16 stations can be preset. To replace a preset station with a station that is currently playing, follow the same process. The radio is also equipped with a few very handy features. Firstly, there's RDS. This allows you to continue listening to the same station by automatically returning to alternative frequencies. Activate this by going into radio settings and ensure that alternative frequency and FM DAB follow-up are selected. Working in a similar fashion is FM DAB tracking. Activating FM DAB tracking, though, will enable the system to switch to the corresponding FM station if the signal becomes poor. Of course, this is dependent on there being an FM variation. To activate FM DAB tracking, press the radio settings menu and press Activate DAB FM. And finally, the traffic announcement function gives priority to traffic alert messages if activated. Does this by interrupting the current media so the announcement can be heard. Once the message has ended, the previous media will resume. To activate this, press the radio settings menu and press Activate Traffic Announcement. While we're in radio settings, you'll also notice that there's an option to adjust the audio settings by pressing this button. This allows you to change things like balance, fade, treble and bass.
Citroën.